That's right. Got a new baby Glenn slash Glenda. This one is the airbrushed and the bloodied one. You get a nice package. Check her out. From Moody Pudding Studios. Y'all need to check them out. Yeah, buddy. Next video, I'm gonna pop this thing open. Now when you open it up, hold on. This is to me. Oh, okay. Trying to do it with one hand, so forgive me. A thank you card. Once again, thank you for helping a small studio get one step closer to their big dreams. Mark and Eric, Moody Pudding Studios. Amazing. Thank you, Moody. Wow. That thing is crazy. Wow. Oh. It has hair. Holy crap. Sorry about the train. That thing is amazing. I mean, look at that. I'm in love. Check it out. That's crazy. Put you back in there, little buddy. I highly recommend Moody Pudding Studios to anybody out there. These things are crazy realistic. Amazing. Oh, let me know what you think. So you got these two right here. Oh yeah. And then you got that little buddy right there. I'm gonna find something else to put him in. I'm gonna get like a glass, case to put the baby Glenda in. But yeah. What do you think? That's crazy. Boy.